Welcome to the Forex Bunkers weekly analysis. We're going to start off with GJ on our weekly chart, and this week we had a 328 pip range. You can see we just pulled back into about 50% of this candle, so it was quite a nice pullback, and we bounced off this support and resistance area, this line here. I reckon we'll see a little bit more of a push up this week. Maybe to here, and maybe possibly to probably this week, not to this level, but to around this zone, and then our continue push down in the next coming weeks. Let's zoom into a daily chart and have a look at the week's movement a little bit closer. On the daily, we can see that, I'll just do this for us. We had a push up. Interesting to notice that we ended on a doji right off this support and resistance line, as I mentioned just before. So it'll be interesting to see where we go from here, where we go from this doji. As I said, I reckon we'll be seeing this line, this sort of zone here for our turnaround. I reckon there's a lot of sellers there, but only time will tell. There's some great trades in here this week. We did start off with a little bit of a range in the first day, but the second day was completely up, and the rest of the days were a bit rangy, but there was still pips to be made if you're patient. On to GU now. This is a weekly chart. As you can see, we're pretty much the same as what GJ did. We had a pullback to, this wasn't 50%, it was more like a third. Same as GJ, I think we'll be pushing out a little bit further to around this zone before we continue back down. And then we see our lows on the left hand side here, what we'll be hitting. Let's just zoom in on a little bit closer and see what happened this week. So this week on GU, you can notice that it is the range week. It's pretty much the same as GJ. If you're patient, the pips would come to you, if not break even this week. But you had to have been careful and definitely patient, because it was pretty slow moving until the end. But we did end on a doji, just like on a GJ. So this week will be very interesting to see if we gap or how the market opens in the morning. About 10 hours away. So yeah, I hope you all got some pips, and come and join us in the chat room for some trading during the week in London session. Thanks for watching the weekly analysis. I hope you all got some good pips this week, and wish you all the best pips for the week to come.